Hey everybody, this is Ori for OneScales, and today I want to talk to you about a very specific problem that might happen in Google Analytics. Right now we're using Google Analytics 4, but this problem is that another website might be using your tracking code and sending their data to your website, either by mistake or maliciously, or it's a bot or some copy website, or you forgot or something like that. What do you do? How do you deal with it? Okay, so very simply put, when you have a website, you have to put your tracking code on every single page on the website. So I'm going to go to my tracking code, data streams, I'm going to go to my data stream, and I have a measurement ID, which is basically specifying that this is the account that is owned by me. This is the one that this website will send data to this specific account, and the tracking code is right here, right? So you're going to basically ask your developer to insert this specific code right here, either via Google Tag Manager or via Google Analytics with this tag. There's multiple ways to do it, but in general, what you need to do is send, on your website, send data of your visitors to this account, which is the account that I own right here. Now, what happens if another website actually embeds the same code, which is very easy to know. It's not a hidden code because it's in JavaScript. Anyone can visit anybody's website, figure out this code, and actually put that on their website, either correctly for test or maliciously or other. So what's going to happen? If they insert their code on their website, when visitor comes to the website, it'll actually send data to your Google Analytics account. And obviously, you're not going to want that. So this is data to your Google Analytics account. So this is my data, and someone else can send data. Now, unfortunately, the first part of this video is unfortunately, there's no way for you to stop that because Google Analytics does not block other websites. It allows any website to actually embed any code to send data. Okay, so this is the first difficult part. So there's no way to block it as current. Maybe in the future they'll allow that, but in Universal Analytics, the many years before Google Analytics 4, they didn't block it, and now in GA4, Google Analytics 4, they don't block it as well. So there's no way for you to block it. That's the first part that you need to know, number one. But if someone sends data to you, they're actually wasting their resources, etc., or they're trying to do it maliciously. So they're spending some effort to do it. What do you do? What do you do in this? So actually, you can only do two things. Number one is you can go, when you view all of your reports here, either the custom reports that you might have made or all the reports here, you actually have to filter out specific host name, which is specific website. So if my website, for example, in this test video is called OS Test Video, whenever I view or review any of these reports, I'm actually going to specify I only want to see ones from that domain name. So you can filter out all the data. The bad data, the wrong data will still be there, but anytime you review something, you'll view that. So how do you do that? You go to any report, you go to the top right here. Let's go to any report. Let's go here, for example. Okay, it doesn't matter. Any report right here, and you're going to click here on Add Comparison, and you're going to only include, you're going to only see when it says host name, right? And you're going to specify only this one, for example. So when I made this video, I prepared, and I actually tried to embed wrongfully on another website. This is another website I own. I try to embed the same code that is here that only belongs to me, and I use another website, and obviously it still sent data. So if I only want to see data from my domain, I'm going to specify the domain name here. I'm going to click OK. I'm going to click on Apply. And I'm going to also remove all users because I don't want to see all. I only want to see the ones from my domain. I'm going to remove that. And now everything I see here is with the filter. Everything's good. I can go to any other reports right here. I can still make sure that I have host name included, and we're good. So that's number one. You have to filter out. The data will still wrongfully be there unless one day Google Analytics 4 changes something and they allow a lock for certain domains. But right now, no, you have to include it. Or if you build your custom reports, you can actually also do the same thing. Hostname equals only your domain. The second thing you can do is if someone, let me jump back for a second. If someone copied your Google Analytics code, like right here, let me go here, data stream, right here. If they copied your code right here, one second. You copy your code, you can do what I specified. If the attacker or the other website actually only copied your Google Tag Manager code, your GTM code, you can actually go to Tag Manager and you can lock out, you can actually specify that you will not send the Google Analytics data if the domain name or the host name is that. So you can also block it from GTM, but if they embedded your Google Analytics, you cannot block it. You just have to filter out. So you can block it from GTM, from Google Tag Manager. There's a way for you to filter, only trigger, with this trigger, only if the host name is this domain that's yours, then you do the action, which is send the Google Analytics to Google Analytics. Hope that makes sense. That's it. Those are the two things you can do as of now. If this is not clear for you guys, this video, you're not sure what I'm talking about, give me the specific issue you have. We're here to help you guys to answer the comments, to make it better. If you have a specific suggestion or a better way to do things, we're here to help. We're here to, to listen, do things. We've researched a lot. I don't think there's any other way, but I'd be happy to learn otherwise. Again, if you like this video, please share, subscribe, say hello, and share with a friend, etc. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you again for listening. We're here to make the web better for many different topics. Google Analytics is one of them, so please subscribe. Appreciate it, guys. Thank you, guys.